Ryan Bratton's here to talk about our forecast. Nice start today, but as soon as the clouds start to come in, you instantly notice the temperature drop.
Yeah, and there are almost two things happening at the same time. Clouds came in, and for those near the coast, the wind really picked up off the ocean.
Yeah, so noticeable out there.
Yeah, we had a great morning, though. It was awesome.
Yes.
Unbelievable. It's good in a way, though, that we've had these clouds move in and that wind pick up, because it lowers our chance for any thunderstorms.
Okay.
Which, obviously, we want rain, but we don't want damaging
The severe
wind.
part we don't.
Yeah, we don't want the severe part. Which there are a couple of severe storms. There actually was just a warning that got dropped in upstate New York. But this line is going to be moving east as the evening goes along. And for us here in most of Maine, our wind is coming in off the ocean. So that cool wind will stabilize the lower parts of the atmosphere and weaken the storms as they move to the east. So the best chance for anything severe will be in the warmer air that's still to our west, central and southern New Hampshire, most of Vermont, and maybe right near the Maine-New Hampshire border. But I think as soon as these cross into the state, they'll start to lose some of their punch. We will get rain, though, and there is rain now falling in the White Mountains over into the western mountains of Maine. I don't see any lightning with these showers at the moment, but there may be some that starts to develop. There you see the influence of the ocean, 53 right now in Rockland. We had 70s even back into central Maine, but that southerly wind has dropped temperatures into the 60s there. It's still 65 in Portsmouth. Look at Manchester, New Hampshire, 85. That's the juice that could produce a severe storm to our west this evening. Portland sitting at 63. There's the east-southeasterly wind at 11 miles per hour right now. So hour by hour through the evening. We'll do this slowly to give you an idea of the timing here. By 6 o'clock, that line coming in from the west. So we have rain moving into northern Maine, some rain up around Route 2, approaching the Belgrade Lakes, maybe even by 6 o'clock. And the stronger storms near the New Hampshire border over into southern New Hampshire. That's where you could get some strong gusty winds in addition to the lightning and heavy rain. But as this line comes east, I think it just weakens to downpours with some thunder and lightning by 7 or 8 o'clock. And then it's just scattered showers after that, tapering in most places well before midnight. Only some rain left over in eastern Maine as we get closer to midnight. So for tonight, it's scattered rain. Some places that get the most downpours could get as much as an inch, but most of us will see less than that. Tomorrow's weather mostly cloudy. There may be some morning sunshine over southwestern Maine and southern New Hampshire. That's where it'll be warmest tomorrow. The rest of the state, a lot of clouds with some scattered showers in the afternoon, but I don't think there'll be anything all that heavy, just some drops that you may have to dodge late afternoon and evening tomorrow. Seas 2 to 4 feet tomorrow with an east-northeast wind, 5 to 10 knots. So maybe a little sun tomorrow morning, but overall a cooler day with scattered afternoon showers. Then for both Thursday and Friday, we have lots of clouds and showers in the forecast. Coming up at 4:30, we'll talk a little bit more specifically about Friday. There's a little hope we could see some sun, but a lot of our models are keeping us cloudy and showery. I think Saturday we have a cool wind off the ocean, so a lot of clouds, and then the next front Sunday afternoon will bring some afternoon showers. We do break the wet pattern early next week.
Okay.
But we've got to wait for early next week.
At least we see that on the horizon.
Yeah.
That's helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.